So today we're going to be looking at factorials. They are it's a mathematical operation. So the operations that you're used to so far are called binary operations, meaning two. You add two numbers, and addition is the operation. Similarly, subtraction has that two numbers, the number before and after. Same with multiplication and division. While factorials are a new kind of operator, the notation is to have an exclamation point after the number. Now, while I totally understand why you'd want to get excited by math, this isn't just a more exciting 3 than your usual 3. This is called a factorial. What it means is that we are multiplying first by 3, then by 1 less than 3, then by 2 less than 3, and so forth until we get down to 1. So 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. To do some other examples, 4 factorial would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is the same as 4 times 3 factorial. So we can reuse this 6 that we had above, multiply it by 4. We get that that's 24. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Again, that's the same as 5 times 4 factorial, or 5 times 24, which is 120. So the factorial is present on most of your calculators. If you've got the TI calculator that we have officially adopted here in Alberta, you want to hit the math button near the upper left. It's usually under the second function and alpha buttons. And then you will have a PRB or probability menu, and you'll be able to pick the factorial out of that. So those are the steps you want to go to. Now when that pulls up the factorial, you should already have the number there. So if you want to do 3 factorial, you hit 3 before you enter the math menu. It saves a lot of time. If you have to do 40 factorial, you don't want to be going 40 times 39 times 38 times 37 times 36 and so forth. It's just begging for typos. Plus, it's a fairly sizable number. In fact, most calculators will choke if you try to give it 70 factorial, because that is a bigger number than most calculators are used to. But this is the fundamental definition of the factorial, which is going to be one of the mathematical underpinnings that we're going to be using when we define permutations in just a couple of videos' time.